What's up, guys? All right, so I'm gonna try to keep this one real quick. So this morning, um, as you can see at 9:25, basically I'm texting the group Rise and Shine. I typically type Rise and Shine every morning. So EYEG, Pat actually saw this one. Patricia saw it, and I saw it. Kang saw it as well, and I saw it. So we all basically know the strategy. We all know what the buying criteria is. Basically, we all are looking at the same thing. So as you can see, the other guys they actually like what they're saying, and this is the chart that I sent this morning that we're gonna be. That's what looked good, basically. EYEG was the one. It's about to break out. So um, now check this out. Right at 9:29, I'm letting everyone know be careful with it because it has resistance at the 794 and the 805. So, that 805 area. So, I'm letting everyone know be ready to sell fast if it doesn't go past those areas. So, typically, you got your support and resistance. So, if the stock is approaching resistance, it's supposed to push through and keep going and keep going. But if it doesn't keep going and it just touches those areas and starts pulling back, you may want to just get the hell out fast because it might not be too nice. Um, so that's why I was letting them know, you know, be ready for that because it may fail big and then, you might need to sell fast. So as you can see, this was at 9:29 a.m. And at 9:30, I'm letting them know I sold fast and I sent a screenshot. As you can see, I jumped in a little early and boom, it exploded. It actually went past it. And as soon as it went past those problem areas, it went back down. And as soon as it started coming down, I sold, got out very quickly. Um, let's see over here. Let's close this off. And as you can see over here, I'm showing my entry, which was 775, and I sold at 798 as soon as I saw this thing dropping because it was supposed to continue going. If it was strong, it was going to continue to go up. But because it didn't continue and it started coming back under those resistance points, then I felt it wasn't strong, and I told everyone this beforehand. And this is the benefits of being in the group because I'm calling out the plays, and other people are also calling out the plays. We all know what the strategy is. We know where to jump in, where to jump out, but we also have me as an experience because some people are not as experienced. These guys are not as experienced, so my experience is what I bring to the table in this chat room, and that's why I'm letting everyone know be careful because there's going to be some problems at the 794 and 805 area. How do I know this? Easy. I'm going to show you guys really quick. If you go to your um, daily chart, let's zoom. If you go to your daily chart and you look backwards, you can see this over here, this candle over here, 793. This is a problem area right there because it came back down. And then above that is this one over here, which is the 807 area. And I knew it was going to be in that spot. As you can see, this candle went basically, you see these two yellow lines that I drew? I drew these two yellow lines because of this and this. Now, if it went past this area, it would have went all the way up. Let's see. Let's back up a little bit. Let's zoom in a little bit. So if it had went past this area, the next problem area would have been right there. So jumping in a little bit early and hoping that it passes these 2 points to continue to go up. And that's what I was waiting for because it had the potential to go up to $12 because this is the next resistance point is right there. Basic support and resistance, right? So now Let's go back to our 1 minute chart, and you can see that's the area that it touched, and it didn't, and it failed. It just failed miserably. It failed. So, and you guys know goal time itself is a resistance area, and this is why I jumped in a little bit early, because I know there's 3 points that it will come into a problem. Now, if I were to jump in right there, right above goal time, which is normally what I do, if I jump in right above goal time, it's going to come into a problem right there, and then right there. So why not jump in a little bit early and take a bigger move, because I know it's going to run into this, or that right there. Now, I was hoping that it continued to go. Now, if it went above the 850 area, then I know it would have a very good chance of going to that, let's back up a little bit, to that 1285 area, but it just didn't do that. It just didn't do that. It failed horribly. So I hurried up and I got out. And as you can see, the purpose of this chat room at 9:29 is letting people know, be careful with it, because those 2 points are there and it's a problem area. So if it continues to go up, stay and hold on to it. But if it touches those areas and starts slamming back down, those are problem areas. There's a bunch of sellers there. Those are resistance points. That's where all the shorters are they're getting ready to short. So, you got to understand how the other side thinks. And of course, this 2020, this chat room was free to all of my people who actually trained from me. But starting 2021 I'm just going to open it to everyone, and it's going to be $60 per month. A lot of people were asking me, can they join the chat room? And I just was like, no, you got to learn the strategy through me. Once you learn the strategy through me, then I'll add you to the chat room. And a lot of people just were, they were already traders, some of them, and some of them just couldn't afford my training or didn't want to pay the training. I don't know what the case is, but they just wanted me calling out plays like I call them out here. Like even this one over here, I even, let's see, ELYS. I even called this one out. It was going parabolic. Cliff mentioned it didn't have any news. As you could see, I told him actually there is news there, and I showed him the clipping. So I send this out to them because some people, they don't see certain things that I see. So I'm going to let them know. And this is the benefits. We all help each other, but at the same time, you have me as an experienced guide that's going to give you the best that I got. And typically, I do pretty well. So, again, the chat room was free for my students. And so now I'm going to allow other people to just come in and benefit from it. But it's going to be $60 per month. And if you want to join the tribe and you want to pay 12 months in full, I'll knock off 2 months, which means you're only paying for 10 months if you pay in full. But if you're just going to do monthly, it's $60 a month. All right. So if you guys have any questions, comment below. And oh yeah, let me go over here one more time. As you guys can see, this was my trade. I jumped in at 775. I sold very quick once I saw it. Once it passed this area and started coming back down, I sold very quick. I sold at 798. I was hoping to get a better fill up here, but it just didn't. But it is what it is. We still made money. So ended up with 920 this morning. Not too bad. The past couple of days have been very good. So, my goal is 1,000 per day. If I can hit 1,000 per day, it keeps all the bills away. But this is pretty good. 920 is not bad. We're doing okay. All right. So I'll chat with you guys another day. And don't forget, I see a lot of views on the videos, but then I don't I don't see a lot of likes. People are just watching the videos and they're not liking them. Um, I mean, if you're here, you're watching my videos. Why not help me out by liking the video? So, and that's part of the reason I'm not really a YouTuber kind of guy. I try to help people out, but I'm not really a YouTuber. And you guys are not motivating me by not liking the video. If you guys like the video, it would motivate me to do a video every day. But if you guys are not liking the video, maybe I'll do a video every month, once a month. I'll throw a video out there. But if you guys are liking the videos, I'll make more videos. I'll make more content. Or if you have a specific question, go ahead and you know you can email it to me, or you can comment below, and I'll be able to reply or make a video and make more content. So give me some ideas of some content, because me, I like helping people, but you know, to me, I just like going in and make my money, and then I take off. You know, I'm out. I don't want to be online all day, but to help people, I will if it's benefiting you. But if you're not liking, or if you're not commenting, or if you're not, then I'll probably post a video like whenever I can, or whenever I decide to do it. But if you guys are asking questions, then I'll post more videos towards, you know what I mean? Just answering questions, because I know it helps you guys out. Anyways, I'm gonna try to keep this one not too long, but you guys get the drift. Um, yeah, it's the same strategy every single day. It's the same strategy every day I trade, and we do pretty well. So I'll chat with you guys another day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video.